We're working to learn more today about a man shot and killed outside the president's Florida home early yesterday. Officers say he had a shotgun and was carrying a gas can. Two law enforcement sources identified the suspect to NBC News as 21-year-old Austin Tucker Martin. The Palm Beach County Sheriff says he breached the perimeter of Mar-a-Lago around 1:30 Sunday morning. Two Secret Service agents and a sheriff's deputy responded.
He was ordered to drop those two pieces of equipment that he had with him, at which time he put down the gas can, raised the shotgun to a shooting position. At that point in time, the deputy and the two Secret Service agents fired their weapons and neutralized the threat.
The president was in Washington, having hosted Republican governors at the White House the night before. Martin was reported missing by his family on Facebook earlier that day. He lived in Cameron, North Carolina.